Ladies and gentlemen, in my video guide I will give you detailed instructions that will help you to understand the danger of three different pop-ups. They are Supremeadblocker.net, Supremeadblocker.info, and Supremeadblocker.com. As you see, these three pop-ups are basically the same. It's just the domain name that is different. All these three pop-ups promote a special unwanted browser extension called Supremeadblocker. This extension actually operates as adware. It promises users that they can block ads if they install this extension, but in reality that particular extension operates as adware. So instead of blocking ads, it displays its own ads not related to the sites that you actually visit. So, speaking about all these pop-ups, you should not trust them. Don't interact with them. Don't install any extensions that they promote. If any extensions were mistakenly installed and they are not decent, you need to fix your Google Chrome by accessing the menu, More Tools, Extensions. Then if you find any third-party extensions over here, get rid of them. Also, I do recommend that you thoroughly investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.